Meaning of inhuman.
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 Inhuman. The term inhuman refers to something that lacks human qualities, such as compassion, sympathy, or understanding. It can also describe actions or behavior that is cruel, brutal, or ruthless, typically associated with a lack of empathy or morality. The consequences of inhumane actions can be severe, causing physical and psychological harm to individuals and society as a whole. In extreme cases, it can lead to the dehumanization of entire groups of people based on their race, ethnicity, or beliefs. In short, being inhuman goes against the fundamental values of humanity and can have devastating consequences.